All right, well, today we have something that you don't see every day, and we got snow in Texas. So you can't have snow on the ground and not take your truck and go do donuts with it. So because these trucks traction control don't actually shut off, you have to go under the hood and pull some fuses. So the fuses are 32, 52, and 59 under the hood. So we'll get this thing warmed up and pull those fuses. So we have our diagram right here on the back of the fuse box. We got 32 right there that you can't really see. Then you got 52 right there, and then 59 is way over here. And you just come over here and pull this. So 32 will be, looking at it upside down. 3 over. Be this guy. So that's 32. 52 is going to be one of the bigger ones. Right here. These are a pain to get out. Alright, that one came out with a little love, so that one was right there between the 50 and the 60 amp fuse. And then 59 is going to be that 30 amp way in the corner. Bam! And that's it. Now the truck will do burnouts. Sick. Alright, so you can tell it works because we just got gas, and if you come out like this, you can come out sideways as a motherfucker. And the truck actually does pretty good sending it sideways, so that's pretty sweet to me. So I went out and I started driving around the industrial park, and there are a couple of big parking lots that we saw, but the snow's already like melted off the ground. So I really don't want to just burn off my tires. But it is good to know that that's all it takes to shut the traction control and everything off, because now the truck just does like burnouts whenever it wants. You can just squeeze the throttle and it just blows the tires off. But if it keeps snowing all day, we'll probably come back out. But right now it's kind of worthless because there's not actually snow on the roads anymore. So we'll see. Hopefully I can make a better video. If not, this will be it, and it'll be kind of lame. Okay, so we're back. It's like 3 hours later, and it keeps snowing. We probably got like 4 to 6 inches on the ground here in Central Texas, which is crazy. So it's actually starting to stick to the roads. So we're gonna go try to find a parking lot and do some hood rat shit. Just wants to do the one tire. There we go. Oh, she got mad. I'm going 80 miles an hour on that right wheel. All right, let's try this again. real f***ing angry. Oh, it's shifting on its own, that's why. It was going into 4th gear. Well, that's lame. So of course we're not the only ones out here trying to have some fun. We got a Beamer here, a Mercedes, we got a couple Dodges behind us. So yeah, everybody's just trying to go out and play in the snow. Next day, and as you can see, most of the snow is melted, so that was all the fun we had. The truck really wasn't all that exciting because the diff won't lock. Apparently there's like a $70 mod that you can buy, or you can just hook a power wire right to the diff. But I haven't really played with the truck that much, so I haven't done that yet. So I'm gonna just put the fuses back in and see if all the lights turn off. Okay, the fuses are in. Start it up. All my lights went off and it didn't give me a warning, so TPMS warning came in because I don't have those. But yeah, so the lights go right back out, so pretty easy. Also, I thought that my 4-wheel drive, or my locking hub was locking. It wouldn't lock at all with the ABS module taken out. So yeah, if the truck has a limited slip and everything, you can have a ton of fun, but with the electronic diff, it's really not that fun to go blow donuts because it's like open diff the whole time, and it's kind of a pain to get it to spin both tires. So there you have it. Had some fun in the snow. Pretty disappointed. The 6-liter was cooler, but yeah, so there you have it.